Hi, today here are some of the garden decorating ideas. Just watch them and enjoy them, and I hope you people will enjoy them. These are very simple type of decor ideas. Very simple. See this tree, colorful tree, this nest, this cage, bird cage is there. The same very simple ideas and very unique ideas and very good ideas, very cute type of ideas which can give a new look to the garden. See, very simple and the chair, the sitting area, and here again the chairs are there, so one can sit in this corner and enjoy the evening or morning or sunshine or whatever. So very good ideas are there. I did like them, and I had shared them with the hope that you would also like them. So I hope you would have liked them. So thank you so much.